So here's my very simple but very flavorful chicken stew with potato and carrot.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You know, in cookings, there are certain ingredients, the moment when you know you put these few ingredients together, no matter how you cook, it will turn out very good. This is one of those dishes. It is chicken stew with potato and also red carrot, yeah? So, I have approximately 400 grams of chicken parts here. You can use any parts that you prefer. And I have marinated it with some fish sauce, or you can use salt, and also some Shaoxing wine. Now, Shaoxing wine is definitely optional. If you don't take alcohol, just omit it. You don't need to find any replacement. And after you peel off your potato, remember to always soak it under water so that it doesn't get oxidized too fast. Then we also have some, I have one piece of carrot here, cut into chunks, some minced garlic, and also ginger slices. Right, so first of all, we are going to saute the ginger and garlic, give it a little bit of oil, heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, put in the garlic and also ginger. We're going to saute this for a minute or two before we continue. We'll come back shortly. Once you start to see the garlic started to brown, we can put in the marinated chicken. I'm putting in the carrot, the potato, why did you see my potato is actually a lot more than the carrot? Because I'm trying to clear my fridge. As simple as that. You control the amount of carrot or potato you want to put, alright? Next thing, I'm going to add in some Shaoxing wine for those who don't mind taking alcohol. After that, follow with some hot water here. And some of you probably know Appa is going to put this in. This is Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. Where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia and Singapore. 100% natural ingredient, 0 MSG, 0 preservative. You can even use this to cook baby porridge. Then that porridge becomes chicken porridge. Appa also use it to cook chicken rice. Very fragrant. Now I'm going to let's season this with some oyster sauce, 1 round of light soya sauce, a bit of salt, and a bit of sugar. If you prefer darker color, feel free to add dark soya sauce. Today I'm not adding dark soya sauce, at least not now. Now that you see it is boiling, you can now close the lid, tune down to medium or medium low, and let it cook for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. You just want to make sure the potato and carrot is fully cooked. Now, one thing about making chicken stew is that you have to be careful on the water level. Probably every about maybe after the first 10 minutes, you should check it out. Because the water will the liquid here will definitely reduce. So you don't want it to be dry out. Right? So you just want to probably after the first 10 minutes, double check if the water level is okay. Right, this is after total cooking time, simmering time for about approximately 20 minutes. Everything should be fully cooked by now. Right, before serving, I'm just going to give it a little bit of sesame oil and few dashes of white pepper. Done. It's now ready to be served. So here's my very simple but very, very flavorful chicken stew with potato and carrot. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.